Hey guys, what's happening? I had to make a photo collage on iPhone. So in order for this to work out, we need to use shortcuts, right? Shortcut is a pre-installed Apple app within the Apple ecosystem. So you don't need to go and download a third-party app. Now what we're gonna do, hit gallery at the bottom right and search for photo, okay? Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just hit the plus button here and add it to our shortcuts. As you can see, we already saved it to our shortcuts. Go to the shortcuts here, press it, and it will show a type of photo, right? So as you can see right here, you can just go ahead and hit play. And let's say this, and this. Hit add. Right? You're gonna see the outcome like this. If you want to save it, just hit the upload button at the bottom left, where it will take you to these kind of options. Just hit save image and it will be saved to the photo library. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.